Want to know what really makes flooring contractors' cost estimates jump around so much? Alright, so first up, the type of material you pick totally changes the price. Like, hardwood floors cost way more than vinyl or laminate, you know? Then, how tricky the installation is plays a big role. If your floor has weird angles or you want some fancy pattern, expect to pay more. Also, don't forget about the subfloor. If it's all messed up or uneven, contractors gotta spend extra time fixing it before laying the new floor, which means higher costs. Labor rates vary a lot depending on where you live. Big cities usually charge more than small towns. The size of your project is huge too. Bigger spaces might get you a bit of a discount per square foot, but overall it still adds up. Plus, sometimes contractors include cleanup and old floor removal fees, so ask about that up front. Last but not least, timing matters. If you want the job done super fast or during busy seasons, prices might go up. One of the top mistakes people make when dealing with flooring cost estimates is not asking about hidden fees like removal or disposal charges, which can surprise you later. Just ask for a detailed quote upfront to fix that. Another common issue is underestimating how much the subfloor condition affects the price. If you ignore it, you might get hit with a big unexpected repair bill. Have your contractor check it before agreeing. Lastly, people often forget to compare labor rates across different contractors in their area, so they end up paying way more than needed. Shop around and get multiple quotes to avoid that trap. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted, local flooring contractors without the headache. It also helps contractors connect with folks needing work, making the whole process smoother for everyone.